Hey everybody, welcome back. It's me, I'm Mike. Today we're going to be bonding some carpet. Got it from Keystone. And this is what we'll be using right there. The saddle, loop pile carpet. This is what I've been working on most of the day. And we're going to be using the same type of vinyl to bind the carpet with the same type of stitching going around it. And I'll show you how to use this bonding method without the attachment on your machine. And all you need is a strip of whatever you want to put on it. Let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is get our carpet over here. I'm going to find out exactly where I want to start it. And as you can see, I cut a big old fat wide strip. That way it gives me plenty to play with as I'm going around sewing everything up. Come down in here, clamp her down, and get started. I'm going to keep the bonding. I'm going to keep my piece of vinyl on my strip right here. Stretch kind of tight going around it. Like this. And then that way, there's no chance the foot will walk a wrinkle into it. And just take your time. And then I'm coming up to this curve right here. So what I'm going to do is try to imitate the binding folder as much as I can, I guess. I'm just going to keep it folded right here. Then I'm going to start rocking that mat into it. Just like this. And again, you want to keep it nice and tight. You go a couple stitches at a time if you have to. And then just keep walking it around right there. Once you get around the curve back to that flat section, it'll go a little bit easier for you. Off top of how I'm going to go around this curve right here, and like I said, I'm going to come up to it, keep my vinyl stretched around the curve, and only go a couple of stitches at a time while I rock that floor mat around. Sometimes you might have to lift your foot and adjust your vinyl a tad bit. Come around and just walk your machine around by hand for 1 or 2 stitches so she don't get away from you. And yes, my sewing machine does identify as a female, just like all machines, I believe. I've never heard a man call his truck a guy. B.B. King sure as hell didn't name his guitar Leroy. And this freaking Yorktown stuff, I'm wanting to not fold it over. I don't want it to be real thick. So all I'm doing is putting one slit in it, but I'm being careful as the direction that I cut. That way from this side it's not going to be a bunch of white fuzzy shit poking out. So you go like this. I'm going to try to get her ass lined right on back up, just like so. And come down to my last run, and all you got to do is run right into your first stitch line, just like this, and I'm gonna pull it out, no pun intended, and I'm gonna tie off right here. And blame it on all of that shit right there. Alright, let's get this trimmed.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more transformations.